Are you looking for a kit or tool to clean your ears but don't know which one to choose? Well, you're in the right video, and that's what we're about to explore. These accessories are perfect for maintaining your hygiene safely while replacing disposable cotton swabs. They come in several options, such as stainless steel ear picks, spiral systems, or even electronic cleaners. We've analyzed several models and selected the 3 best in terms of comfort, effectiveness, and durability. You can find the links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Here are the 3 best ear cleaning kits, from the least expensive to the most expensive. Let's get started. First, the Medi Grade Ear Cleaning Syringe Kit revolutionizes your hygiene with its soft water syringe and quadruple jet silicone tips. These tips ensure a uniform 360-degree water distribution, gently cleaning the ear canal while protecting the eardrum. Designed to replace disposable products, this eco-friendly kit reduces waste while ensuring optimal effectiveness. With 3 color-coded tips for secure family use, it combines practicality with environmental care. Easy to use, it offers an economical solution for impeccable ear hygiene at home. Next, the Bebird R1 provides a practical and efficient solution for your hygiene with its 4 cleaning modes tailored to every need: normal, soft, pulse, and powerful. Equipped with 5 LEDs and a transparent splash guard, it ensures precise and safe cleaning. Its 500 ml bottle, combined with a gravity straw, allows usage at any angle. The interchangeable silicone tips, available in soft 5-jet or concentrated flow versions, ensure optimal hygiene and prevent cross-infections. Powered by a 2000 mAh battery with a USB Type-C charging port, it delivers up to 7 hours of autonomy, saving time and medical expenses. Finally, the Temodu electric ear cleaner offers precise and comfortable cleaning with its 4 pressure modes adjustable from 7 to 24.5 psi. It features a large rechargeable 500 ml bottle and a high-performance 1800 mAh battery, offering up to 7 hours of battery life. Equipped with a mirror and LED lights, it provides a clear view of the ear canal for safe cleaning. Designed for all ages, this device comes with replaceable disposable earplugs, ensuring optimal hygiene tailored to the needs of each user. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.